Oh my god, it's so close! Hi everyone. Apologies for not vlogging for a few weeks. I have been busy revising. I have had exams. My last exam is next Wednesday, which is why I am not vlogging for a few weeks. I have a last exam Wednesday, which is why I am in uni. It's very hot, so that is why I'm wearing shorts and this top. So this is currently my atmosphere at uni right now. So literally no one is here other than people coming in for breakfast. That's it. It's pretty empty. I am also currently the only one in this room. So I don't know where everyone is, but I'm going to head off to the beach in a few hours because I'm going to make the most of this weather before I go home and work. See you guys in a bit. Can't believe how busy it is. So we're on the beach now, taking our shoes off. And here you have a housemate who is taking 5 minutes to take her shoes off.
A few moments later.
Yeah, it's only the first shoe.
2 hours later.
One shoe off. Oh, is this one going to be? Oh, this one's quicker. Finally. Oh my god. The sand feels so nice. Someone's sunbathing with their face covered. Where should we sit, guys? I want to go into the water in a bit. As we get further onto the beach, I'm feeling the sand's getting more hot. Should we sit here?
Yeah.
What a beautiful day. I'm so glad we ditched revision for this. So we found a spot and we've already got a sunbather covering our face with a HC1 form. Right.
You can thank me and put it on camera as long as I don't look bad.
What?
You can thank me and put it on camera as long as I don't look horrible.
Okay, thanks for confirming that. That's now on video. This HC1 form face.
Hi.
Oh my god. This is the first ever time I've been on the beach, like properly like this.
Oh, yeah, like actually.
Yeah. Even though you're the only one lying down. There's people on the zip wire here. Oh my god. How cool is that? Do you just want a straw hat? Shall I buy you a straw hat and you can put it on your head? I don't know where I can buy one. So we've left Amola asleep. Oh my god, why is this? This sand's so cold. Oh my god! Hello?
This is punishment.
Oh really? Punishment for what, I wonder? Oh, water. The tide is out. Oh my god. The water's so cold. Our feet are going to be like covered in sand by the time we get back up there. We've got to be careful not to drop my phone. Oh my god, this water is so cold. It's so cold. Oh, it's getting a bit warmer now. Now we like stood in it. Yeah, I think so. Oh my god.
I'm getting much warmer now.
We're having a little paddle in the water and it's freezing cold. Oh my god. So Isabel's going further out into the water. I think that's as far as she's going. It's absolutely freezing cold. Literally, I have goosebumps on my legs. Oh. The water's really cold, Amola. I forgot how cold it actually was. What? No. I can't swim. Oh my god, so cold. Isabel's jumping the waves. Out of all three of us, Isabel can only swim. Oh my god, it's so cold! It's so nice though. Oh, there's an orange! Someone obviously didn't like that. beautiful Bournemouth. What are you doing? Harry Ramsden. I'm getting food.
Yeah. I'm still trying to decide.
This is our view. Look at our view, guys. We're literally like overseeing the beach. Oh, food's arrived. Tamela's the odd one out again.
Like usual.
So we've had dinner and now we're eating ice cream. What's your flavour?
Bubblegum.
And I've got salted caramel and white chocolate. What ice cream have you got? Double chocolate and oh.
That is so classic.
It can't seem to pick up its feet.
Okay, you
Is it?
can. You can't seem to pick up its feet.
They're so loud.
Oh, because they're birds.
Who always succeeds? A toothless budgie. Thank you very much for your donation.
Wow.
Why is it saying it a lot now? Now that everyone's here. Yeah, that one says it's so cute.
Hi guys, I'm home. I have been home for a while, but I just thought I'd summarise up this video, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. I will get back to vlogging after next Wednesday because I have an exam to revise for, so apologies for not vlogging very much the last 2 weeks, or not at all. In this case, not at all. But I will be back. Just have exams and it's taken over my life. So please give me a thumbs up with this video because I enjoyed filming it. I enjoyed being at the beach. I enjoyed being at the beach, and yeah, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you sometime next week. Bye for now.